So these little kids just said that we should put the cat in that hole because we're gonna bury him for a sacrifice. Sarah freaked out.
Come on, Kitty, come here.
I am Zeus. I had the lightning. Hold it in the middle like this.
Okay, go down. Come on, kitty. Kitty. Not in the bushes. No! Kitty. Aww. Oh, dang it. Kitty. Come on, kitty. Hi! Hi, random girl. This isn't weird at all. So we were taking the cat earlier for a walk, but there was a mishap. So we took it for a slide, for a little ride, and yeah, there was a bigger mishap. Where'd the kitty go? Here, kitty.
I got the leash.
We don't need the leash, Adrian. Cats don't take leashes. No, they don't. Kitty. Oh. This is all your fault, Sarah.
He was attacking me.
I'm gonna look in the bushes now. I'm gonna look in the bushes. Here, kitty. Shh, I heard something. I found them, Sarah. Yeah, come on.
I got the leash.
Over here, sneak up on him over here.
Okay.
Quietly, the cat just stopped. It's moving. He's right there.
Where?
Okay, keep going.
The person in the window
to
is
where-
like waving to me.
Hi, random people. Right there.
There's this dad.
Okay, there's a little hole right there in that dent.
Oh, I see it.
Quick. Let's go down the slide again. Ouch. I like how my brother has a stick. It's okay, everybody. We got the cat. We got the cat.
Here,
They're
let's give him a treat.
They're abusing.
Let's give him a treat. Good boy, you coming to us. This is what happens when you stay with us. Come here, Brenda. I think it's time to put him inside. Okay, give him a treat.
I think he already got his cat time.
I do too. Look what he did to my leg. Okay, kitty. Treat.
Diana, open this up.
You evil monster.
It's time to get a treat. Is it that hard to open it?
Wait.
Thank you.
Thank you. Treat, kitty. See, we feed you treats. That means you like us. Treat. Treat. Eat the treat. And your parents aren't killing you for this? No, they told me to take it for a walk.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Boy, another treat.
See, it's always the parents' fault.
I know. There comes a time when after being inside for so long, you just feel like you're gonna die. Eat, treat, or die. He's licking my hands. It's kind of gross.
Okay, well, that's enough treats for the cat. You don't want him to run away again.
Eat it! Good boy.
I like how till you scream he starts eating it.
Alright, let's take him inside. That was awful. Enough cat time for you. Okay. That's enough cat time. Okay, it's okay. I forgive you. I forgive you.
Well, people, that was Sarah's cat, and as I told you before, we tried to take the cat for a walk, but it didn't work out
was
so
his
well.
harness.
That was his harness. It's always the parents' fault.